Why don't we have more orange PC cases like this? Quick recap if you're new here, we recently built in the Cherry Red X50 from Height, and that was a beautiful build. We did a whole Evangelion theme, everything matched so well. It looked amazing. So let's unbox the orange one. We'll do it ASMR style. Now that is a beautiful color. All right, so let's take a vote down in the comments. Do you prefer the orange color or the cherry red? Honestly, this is such a cool case. It's so funky and it really reminds me of the Y2K era. And hold on, we're not done yet. We have the orange matching fans we need to check out. Ooh. Oh, those are so nice. Look at that color match. That is insane. All we need to do now is come up with a theme for the PC build. Someone had said oranges, but I feel like we can do better than oranges, guys. Come on.